Hello students, today's topic is relationship of sociology with other social sciences. Sociology and anthropology. Sociology is the mother of all social sciences, hence it has close and intimate relationship with anthropology. The relationship is so close that anthropologists like A. L. Kober consider sociology and anthropology as twin sisters. They often appear as two names for the same subjects. R. Redfield recognizes the closeness between these two social sciences. Sociology is a science of society. It studies behavior of man in groups. The term sociology has been derived from Latin word socius, which means society, companion or association, and the Greek word logos means study or science. Hence, sociology is concerned with the association of human beings. It is a science that deals with social groups. Similarly, the term anthropology is derived from two Greek words, anthropos meaning man and logos meaning study or science. Accordingly, anthropology means study of man. As a science of man, it deals with man, his works and behavior. Anthropology studies the biological and cultural development of man. Anthropology has a wide field of study which can be broadly divided into three main divisions such as physical anthropology, archaeology, cultural anthropology, and social anthropology. There exists a very close and intimate relationship between sociology and anthropology. Both contribute to the growth of others. Both are mutually related to each other. Of course, sociology studies society, whereas anthropology studies man. But as man and society are mutually interrelated, hence it is very difficult to distinguish two. Anthropology contributes to the growth of sociology. Without the help of anthropology, the study of sociology can't be complete. It is a part of sociology. Anthropology provides knowledge about ancient societies. To have a comprehensive understanding of present society, sociology takes the help of anthropology. So in that way, there is a close relationship between anthropology and sociology. Contributions of many anthropologists like R. Brown, Linton, Mead, Petrarch research sociological knowledges, the origin of family, marriage, religion, etc. can be better understood through anthropological knowledge. The concept like cultural areas, cultural traits, and cultural leg, etc. sociology accept from anthropology. Similarly, sociology contributes richly towards the growth of anthropology. Anthropology accepts many concepts of sociology. Research and contributions of many sociologists like Emile Durkheim, Herbert Spencer is of great help to anthropology. Anthropology is greatly benefited by sociological researches, ideas, and conclusion of sociology contributes to the research in anthropology. Apart from these similarities, there are some differences between sociology and anthropology. Let's discuss about the differences between sociology and anthropology. Sociology is a science of society, whereas anthropology is a science of man and his behavior. The scope of sociology is very wide, whereas the scope of anthropology is very limited, because anthropology is a part of sociology. Sociology studies civilization which are vast and dynamic. On the other hand, anthropology studies cultures which are small and static. Sociology studies modern, civilized, and complex societies, whereas Anthropology studies ancient and non-literate societies. Sociology is concerned with social planning, whereas anthropology is not concerned with social planning. On the basis of social planning, sociology makes suggestions for future, but anthropology do not make any suggestion for future. So in this way, though there are some differences between sociology and anthropology, but both are closely related to each other. Now let's discuss about the relationship between sociology and history. As a mother of social sciences, sociology has close and intimate relationship with all other social sciences. Accordingly, it has close relationship with history. Because present society bears symbol of past, relationship between the two is so close and intimate that scholars like G. von have refused to acknowledge sociology as a science distinct from history. Sociology is the science of society. It is the study of systematic systems of social actions and their interrelations. Sociology is the science of social groups and social institutions. History studies the important past events and incidents. It records men's past life and life of societies in a systematic and chronological order. It also tries to find out the causes of past events. Both the sciences are closely interrelated and interdependent on each other. History helps and enriches sociology. History is the storehouse of knowledge for which sociology gained a lot. History provides materials sociologists use. History is a record of past social matters, social customs, and information about different stages of life. Sociology uses this information. Books written by historians like A. Toynbee are of great use for sociologists. To know the impact of a particular past event, sociology depends on history. Similarly, sociology also provides help to history and enriches it. A historian greatly benefited from the research conducted by sociologists. Historians now study caste, class, and family by using sociological data. Sociology provides the background for the study of history. Now, history is being studied from sociological angle. Every historical event has a social cause and social backgrounds. To understand the historical event, history needs the help from sociology, and sociology helps history in this respect. Sociology provides facts on which historians rely on. Thus, history and sociology are mutually dependent on each other. Though there are some similarities between history and sociology, there are some differences between sociology and history. Sociology is a science of society and it's concerned with the present society, but history deals with the past events and studies the past society. Sociology is a modern and new subject, whereas history is an older social science. Sociology is abstract, whereas history is concrete in nature. The scope of sociology is very wide, whereas the scope of history is limited. Sociology includes history within its scope. Sociology is an analytical science, whereas history is a descriptive science. So, this is all about the differences between sociology and anthropology, and sociology and history. Thank you.